Hello my little ones, welcome to the class. Today let's learn the letter L. Here you see the king of the jungle, the lion. The lion seems to be happy because he has got a rope in which there are lights, and there is a ladybird coming closer to him. The lion is very happy to see the lights and the ladybird. Where's the ladybird? It's flying over the tree, and the tree is decorated with different type of colors of lights and the buntings. And the lion also got a piece of lemon. The lemon is, what is the taste of the lemon? It's very sour. Huli, sour. Okay. Now there are very few leaves on the tree. There's only one twig here, and there are few leaves. One leaf, many leaves. One leaf. Okay. Do you know the story of the king of the jungle? Once the lion was very hungry and it wanted to eat the other animals in the jungle. So it called for a meeting and said that every day one animal should come to me as my food. And then the clever rabbit went as the prey to the lion, and it thought of a plan. On his way to the lion, he saw a well, and seeing his own reflection, he wanted to trick the lion as well. So he delayed on the way and went late to the lion and said to the lion, "O king of the jungle, there is another lion on the way and it wanted to eat me. Somehow I escaped and came to tell you that there is another king in our jungle." The furious lion, it got very angry and followed the rabbit. And in the meanwhile, the rabbit showed the well to the lion, and lion saw its own reflection in the water, and he thought that another lion was hiding in the water, and it jumped to the well and it died, and all the animals were rescued. Okay, did you like the story, children? You also learn some other stories, good stories about the king of the jungle. Alright, now let's see how we can write the letter L. You know it's a straight line and a sleeping line, that's it. And for small letter L, you just have to write the straight line. Okay, you will write the capital letter L and small letter L. Parents see that when the child writes the small letter L, if you just write a straight line, they'll get confused with the capital letter I. So help them to make a little curve at the end. That will be good for the remembrance. Okay. Now let us start with the ladybird. To follow the letters L to reach the things that begin with L. You see here, starting line is here. If you go this way, will you get to the lion? No, you have to come like this. Okay, so this line is not to be written, only from here to here. Take your pencil and draw. If you come here, it will not land anywhere. There is no object. Okay, kids? Now let us start writing the first letter of each picture. First you observe the picture. It is a leaf. Leaf. L. So L. Lock. Lock. L. Lily. L. Lemon. Lift. See, the family is going on a lift to climb up and down the building. And your lunch box. Only sandwiches are there in the lunch box. Don't bring sandwiches in the lunch box. Okay, you bring your favorite delicious food in the lunch box when the school starts. Alright. Now let us see the letter M. M for mango. You see so juicy mangoes on the tree. Wow. Do you like to eat mangoes? Do you know that mango is the national fruit of our country? Yes, children, it is the national fruit of our country. And mangoes are grown in summer and they are very juicy and fruity. Okay. Now M for monkey. My goodness. See the monkey, how it is jumping in the tree, holding one hand and making it circus. So monkey. It's a mushroom. Mushroom. And near the mushroom there is a mouse. The mouse is looking at the plant where the man is digging the mud and working on the ground to put mud for the plant so that the plants can grow beautifully. Okay, so let us see once again. The man is digging the mud and the mouse is watching the man. The mouse is sitting under a mushroom and the monkey is jumping in a tree. And there are so many mangoes in the mango tree. Okay, so make yourself a habit of looking at the picture and doing the narration like a story. Now how to write letter M? It's a straight line, slanting line, slanting line, straight line. Look at this. So you will write the capital letter M and the small letter M. Now we have to show the monkey. We have to take the monkey to the things that begin with M. See, M, mushroom. Apple, A and Ma does not suit. So it doesn't begin with the M. Okay, mango. And banana. And it is marshmallow. So you can draw the line. Okay, children. Now you have to complete even this exercise. Mug. M for mug. Mud. M. You see, the sound of letter M is M. Milk. Milk. Mat. Mop. Mushroom. Okay, the sound of letter M is or you can say M. Now paste the stickers of the beginning letter of each picture. What is this? It's an apple. You search for stickers of letter A to Z of the English alphabet and you can stick here. If you did not get the stickers, you can write in your own handwriting. Cat. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for flower. G for grapes. H for house. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for keys. L for leaf. And M for monkey. Now you have to write the missing letters. Let's complete this exercise. It's an engine. Engine. Okay. How many bogies are there? So many are there. Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, T, H, I, J, K, L and M. So we have done the work from literacy skill book. Let us also see the letter N today. N for nest. N for night. You see the picture, it's so dark. When it is dark, we call it as night. And the nightingale, the bird nightingale, nest. What is there in the nest? There are eggs in the nest. And there are nuts. You see, you love to fry the groundnuts and eat, right? You just finished the harvest of these groundnuts. Here there is badam, pista and groundnuts. They are fried in the fire. Okay, now how to write the letter N? It's a straight line, slanting line and a straight line. Okay, and straight line and a curve will give you the letter N. Small letter N. Now tick the pictures that begin with the letter N. Okay, nose, N for nose. Net, nib. Lamp, L and N does not match, so it doesn't begin. Aeroplane. Okay, so these are the three pictures which begin with the letter N. Now let us see the first letter of each picture. It's a nest, N. Nails, needle, nut. Numbers and notebook. And from your literacy workbook, complete writing the letter L, M and N. Okay, complete up to page number 18. Thank you for the patience and watching this video and attending the class. Have a nice time in doing your work.